Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can change the search engine used in your Google Chrome. So let's say that you are looking for something in Google, then you can use either this search bar over here or at the top here. And then if you type something, you will use Google to try to find it. So let's say I'm gonna type bird, and as you can see, I have used Google for that, or Google was used by Google Chrome. Now I can switch that and use a different search engine. Let's go to the top right corner and click on these three dots over here. Then go to settings. On the left side you can switch to search engine, and here we have search engine used in the address bar. By default, of course, we have Google. We can click on it to see the list of all other available search engines, and let's say I'm gonna switch to DuckDuckGo. Now if I open a new tab, as you can see, I no longer have Google but DuckDuckGo, and I can click over here and try to find something, or even at the top here. So this time if I try to search something, let's say animals, then I'm gonna press enter, and as you can see, I don't use Google, but I use DuckDuckGo instead. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!